The truth about apple cider vinegar, how it helps weight loss, digestion more, Dr. Berg explains. Introduction to apple cider vinegar, ACV. Apple cider vinegar is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions. Many believe it's packed with nutrients like vitamins A and C, but the truth is, its real power lies in one key ingredient, acetic acid. This compound is what makes ACV so beneficial for various health conditions. The role of acetic acid. Acetic acid is the star of the show in apple cider vinegar. It plays a crucial role in balancing the body's pH levels, which are often too alkaline in many people. A slight shift in pH can significantly boost mineral absorption, enzyme activity, metabolism, and even thyroid function. This is why ACV is often used to tackle conditions like heartburn and indigestion. It acidifies the stomach, helping it function better. Why alkalosis is a problem. When the body becomes too alkaline, a condition known as alkalosis, it can lead to calcium buildup in soft tissues. This can result in issues like arthritis, bursitis, cataracts, kidney stones, and even gallstones. Muscle cramps, nerve pain, and twitching are other common symptoms. ACV helps by restoring the body's natural acidity, promoting proper calcium absorption and reducing these issues. High cortisol, stress, and alkalosis. Stress can worsen alkalosis due to elevated cortisol levels, which reduce the body's acid reserves. This imbalance leads to calcium being unavailable for use in the body, causing symptoms like muscle twitching, cramping, and nerve pain. Apple cider vinegar combats these effects by reacidifying the body and making calcium more bioavailable. How ACV supports the body. Apple cider vinegar does more than just balance pH. It improves mineral absorption, ensuring the body gets the nutrients it needs. By preventing calcium buildup in tissues, it helps alleviate joint pain, stiffness, and other age-related issues. Additionally, ACV stops potassium loss caused by an overly alkaline body, addressing symptoms like fatigue, irregular heartbeats, and muscle weakness. ACV and weight loss. One of the most talked about benefits of apple cider vinegar is its impact on weight loss. By acidifying the stomach, it improves digestion and metabolism, making it easier to break down food and absorb nutrients. ACV also stimulates the thyroid, which plays a key role in regulating weight. Drinking it before meals can enhance these effects, leading to better fat loss over time. Simple ACV drink recipe. Creating a simple apple cider vinegar drink can maximize its benefits. Start with 2 teaspoons of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of organic lemon juice, and a teaspoon of unsweetened cranberry juice if desired. Mix it with water and drink before meals. Adding ginger extract or shredded fresh ginger can enhance the flavor and provide additional health benefits. This drink is a powerful way to improve digestion, mobilize calcium, and boost your metabolism. Why this works. Apple cider vinegar works by addressing the underlying problem of an overly alkaline body. Its acidity improves calcium mobilization, enhances mineral absorption, and aids in digestion. This chain reaction of benefits helps the body function more efficiently, boosts energy levels, and even strengthens the immune system. Call to action. Try incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine by drinking it before meals. Not only will you notice improvements in digestion and energy, but you may also see changes in your overall health. Let us know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more practical health tips.